Hey guys, what's up? Today I've got the brand new iPhone 17 Pro in this deep blue color right here in my hand. Want this iPhone 17 Pro? Order now using the link in the description below. You've probably already seen some media reports saying the deep blue iPhone 17 Pro and the iPhone Air in black are scratching more easily than usual. So I thought, why not test it out live and see if it's real, or just hype? First, let's take a close look. This is the deep blue finish. Looks premium, shiny, and honestly one of my favorite colors this year. But the big question is, will it actually hold up to daily wear and tear? Alright, let's start with something simple. Keys. Most of us toss our phones into pockets or bags with keys. I've got my house key here. Let's give it a few light scratches on the back. Now let's check. At first glance, not too bad. Wipe it off with a cloth. You can see maybe a faint line if the light hits right, but it's not digging deep. So far, so good. Next up, coins. I've got a couple of them here, pretty common in your pocket or purse. Let's run them across the surface. Okay, again, a quick wipe. Honestly, I don't see any major scratches. Maybe some micro marks, but nothing you'd notice without shining a bright light on it. Now for a tougher test. This is a small utility knife / sharp pin. Now, Apple obviously doesn't expect us to use sharp blades on the phone, but hey, we're testing extremes here. Let's run it gently on the side frame and lightly across the back. After wiping, yeah, this definitely leaves some visible marks. So the media reports have a point. Under sharper pressure, the coating does scratch. So here's the deal. Normal day-to-day items like keys and coins, the deep blue iPhone 17 Pro holds up fine. But if you use anything sharper or you're really rough with it, you'll see scratches faster than with lighter colors. That might explain why people are noticing it more on the deep blue and black finishes. They just show scratches more clearly. Alright guys, that's my live scratch test for the iPhone 17 Pro in deep blue. Would you still pick this color knowing it might scratch a little easier? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you want me to do a drop test or case protection review, let me know. Don't forget to subscribe for more iPhone 17 hands-on videos. I've got a lot more coming up. See you in the next one.